Xiaomi just released a new phone, and I'd call it the mini Xiaomi 15. This is the brand new Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro, everyone. This time the packaging is long and thin. Doesn't it look like a watch box? Wow.
Hey, how do you think the phone is placed inside this box?
Oh, hey, this is pretty nice. Oh, here we have a 67-watt charging adapter and an A to C cable. This is a transparent hard plastic protective case. Is there something special about the back panel too? Just to add, I think this new packaging is great. Not only is it eco-friendly, but nothing is missing either.
Come on, let's peel off the film.
Oh, the back panel is matte. Wow. The one we have here is the white version. The back panel uses a glittery finish. It looks sparkly, but when you touch it, it feels matte. There's a circular camera module in the upper left corner, but notice that this part is glossy and highly transparent. Over here, there's a very smooth transition. What does it feel like to the touch? It feels like a pebble. If you look at it this way, doesn't it look a bit like a little emoji? Oh, and of course, there's a Leica logo here. Moving on to the middle frame, you'll notice that this device really has that Xiaomi 15 vibe everywhere. The middle frame also uses a wraparound structure, enclosing the back panel, so when you touch the transition, it doesn't feel sharp or uncomfortable. Of course, if you look at the device from the side, it's very thin. Yes, it continues the advantage of the Civi series at only 7.45 millimeters, and if you look at the top, there are no extra openings either. Just like the Xiaomi 15 series, things like the infrared sensor are all hidden inside. This definitely deserves praise. Now, looking at the front of the phone, the first thing I want to talk about isn't the short focus fingerprint sensor, but its screen to body ratio. Everyone, the Civi 5 Pro features a quad curved screen with equal depth on all sides, but this is definitely the narrowest bezel among all the quad curved screens in the Xiaomi family. Look at the bezels on both sides of the forehead and the chin as well. Hey, that's flawless, right? Even the Xiaomi 15 Pro doesn't get this kind of treatment. The key point is this 1.5K, 120 Hz, 655-inch screen also comes with a sunlight mode. In fact, a lot of its features are approaching flagship level. If you look at my device, you can see it uses an octa-core processor with a maximum clock speed of 3.2 GHz. So which SoC is it? It's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This SoC has already been hyped up by President Tang and is nicknamed the Little Supreme. I think the main highlight of this SoC isn't gaming. So what is its core strength? It's super smooth for everyday use and still manages to maintain great battery life, which makes it perfect for the Civi. The key point is, even though the Civi is so thin, it still packs a big 6,000 mAh battery. Plus, you can easily use it one-handed, no problem at all. Next, let's talk about the camera. As for the rear cameras, the main sensor is the Light and Shadow Lianren 800, which needs no further introduction. The key point is that it uses the same floating telephoto lens as the Xiaomi 15 series. So it offers a really handy telephoto macro mode, and you can zoom in to 125 mm or even 250 millimeters. Plus, when you zoom in beyond 20x, it also features ultra zoom.
What does that mean?
It means AI-powered telephoto enhancement. For example, let's take a picture of this letter right now. Just tap to take the photo.
All right, did you see that?
This is after optimization. Yeah, looks good.
Of course, when it comes to the Civi, the most important thing we have to talk about is its selfie capabilities. First, there's a punch hole on the front, which means, look, at 0.8x, you get a small face effect. 1x is the normal view, and at 2x, you can take close-ups of your face. I often say Xiaomi has had a huge advantage in selfies these past 2 years. Do you know why? Look, for example, if I just casually take a photo right now, you can tell it's applied a beauty filter, but the effect still feels really natural. In this generation, they've also provided several different styles. Let me show you. This one is film, Japanese style, soft pink. This is warm sun, and this one is sweet cool. So, what do you think? Each style is different, and this year, Civi has even come up with a new slogan for the front camera, Night God Front Camera. Right now, we're in a really dark environment, and the only light on my face is coming from a glowing keyboard. Let's take a selfie. There's a timer. Tap to open the gallery.
So, what do you all think? Everyone,
How about this effect? Maybe?
give it a like.
At the end of the video, I'll list the relevant specs of this phone for everyone. My personal review of the Civi 5 Pro is that it's an entry-level flagship. What do you all think?
Bye-bye.